In this lesson, we'll set up the existing stories and add one more additional story. Then we'll create a single plane roof and trim the walls under it. Our training project will have 4 stories: the existing ground floor on which we've already worked on, a gallery and foundation that we will create now, and the roof. Activate the Design Story Settings menu command. You can also access the Story Settings dialog box by right-clicking on the Floor Plan tab in the tab bar and selecting the Story Settings command from the context menu. By default, the ARCHICAD standard template has 3 stories. Select the third story, number 2, and name it Roof. Let's name the first story as Gallery and enter 3000 as the elevation height. Set the height to next value to 3200. With the ground floor item selected, click the Insert Below button to insert a new story below the existing ground floor. Type Foundation and enter -1500 as elevation. Click OK. Now let's create a semi-pitched roof for the building with a wide overhang supported by columns. Right-click the Floor Plan tab and choose one gallery. Open the default Roof Settings dialog. In the Pivot Height field, type 1000. Select the roof aluminum composite structure. Choose vertical angle for the roof's edges. Select the single plane geometry method and set it at an angle of 18 degrees. In the Floor Plan and Section panel, select all relevant stories, projected with overhead, and entire element. In the Model panel, set Roof Corrugated Sheet Mat as the top surface. For the side and bottom surfaces, apply Wood Pine Grained Horizontal. Set the load-bearing element and exterior tags, and then click OK. In the info box, select the rectangular construction method. Then define the roof pivot line by clicking on the internal corners of the masonry skin on the lower longitudinal wall. Define the direction of the slope by clicking above the previously defined pivot line with the eye-shaped cursor. Draw the perimeter of the roof using the external corners of the exterior walls. Select the roof, click on any of its corner nodes, choose the Offset All Edges command from the Pet palette. Move the cursors towards the contour, type 800, and press Enter. Then deselect the roof.